Hi children, I am Jennifer. Now we are going to learn mathematics chapter knowing our numbers topic Roman numerals.
In this session, cover the topics are introduction of a Roman system, Roman symbols, rules for Roman numerals, and conversion of Hindu-Arabic number to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numbers. Roman system. A Roman system is one of the earliest system of writing numbers and which is used still today. We are looking at Roman numbers in many of the places. So there are watch, wall clock, books, buildings, and so on. Let us see Roman symbols. We already know Roman symbols have 7 basic symbols. There are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. The value of I is 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Now I am going to give a sentence for easily memorize the order of Roman symbols. In this sentence, represent order of Roman symbols in descending order. Let us see the sentence. My dear cat loves extra vitamins intensely. In this sentence, each word of the first letter represent the Roman symbols in descending order. Next, Roman numbers. We have to write the Roman numbers based on the basic symbols. So, we need to follow 3 rules for writing Roman numbers. So, the first rule, when you place the same symbols, it is repeated 3 times at maximum. Same symbols are repeated means we should add their values. Let us see some examples. I. Here I repeated 2 times. I value is 1. So we want to add 1 in 2 times. Therefore 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Next, C. C repeated 3 times. C value is 100. So 100 added in 3 times. Therefore 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300. Next,
All the Roman symbols are never repeated 3 times. Some symbols only repeated 3 times. Let us see the symbols. The symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. But the symbols V, L, D never repeated.
rule. large number next smaller number means we want to add their values. Let us see one example. Smaller number is I. Larger number is V. Larger number next smaller number. So we want to add their values. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Next smaller number next larger number means we want to subtract their values. I, V. Here smaller number next larger number. So we want to subtract smaller number from larger number. Therefore 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Let us see some examples. X, V. Here X value is 10, V value is 5. So larger number next smaller number. So we want to add their values. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. C, V. C value is 100, V value is 5. Larger number next smaller number. So we want to add their values. Therefore 100 plus 5 equal to 105. I, X. Here I value is 1. X value is 10. Smaller number next larger number. So we want to subtract smaller number from larger number. Therefore 10 minus 1 equal to 9. X, C. Here X value is 10, C value is 100. Here also smaller number next larger number. So we want to subtract 100 to 10. Therefore 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Let us see the third rule. The symbols I, X, C, M are used to subtraction, but the symbols V, L, D are never subtracted from any number. That means a number can be subtracted to the symbols I, X, C, M, but a number cannot be subtracted to the symbols V, L, D. That is, எந்த ஒரு நம்பரையும் the symbols I, X, C, M இருந்து subtract பண்ண முடியும். பட் எந்த ஒரு நம்பரையும் V, L, D இருந்து subtract பண்ண முடியாது. Next, we know a number can be subtracted to the symbols I, X, C, M, but all the symbols cannot be subtracted to all the symbols. Let us see which symbol subtracted from which symbol. நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்தோம் the symbols I, X, C, M மட்டும்தான் எல்லா நம்பர்ஸ்லையும் சப்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகும். ஆனால் எல்லா சிம்பிள்ஸும் எல்லா சிம்பிள்ஸ்லேருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகாது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் I subtracted from V and X only. Next, the symbol X subtracted from L and C only. Next, the symbol C subtracted from D and M only. Let us see their values. IV. IV value is 4. IX value is 9. XL 40. XC 90. CD 400. CM 900. Let us recall writing the Roman numerals for the rules. The symbols I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times at maximum. The symbols V, L, D are never repeated. Larger number next smaller number or equal number means we want to add their values. Smaller number next larger number means we want to subtract their values. I subtracted V or X only. X subtracted from L and C only. C subtracted from D or M only. Exercise sums. So the first sum, write the following in Roman numerals. So now we want to convert Hindu-Arabic numbers to Roman numbers. So first we want to write expanded form of given number. Second, we want to split the numbers based on the basic Roman symbols values. Third one, to insert the symbols. Fourth one, finally we should write the symbols all together. So first, the given sum is 8. So 8 is the single digit number. So we have to directly split the number based on the basic Roman symbols. So 8 equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next, insert the Roman symbols. 5 is V, 1 is I. Therefore, finally, we should write the symbols all together. Therefore, 8 equal to V, I. Next, 336. Expanded form of 336 equal to 300 plus 30 plus 6. Next, we want to split the numbers based on the basic Roman symbols. So 300 can be written as 100 plus 100 plus 100. 30 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Next, to insert the Roman symbols, 100 is C, 10 is X, 5 is V, 1 is I. So lastly, we should write the symbols all together. So therefore, 336 equal to C, X, V, I. So the last sum, 745. So the expanded form of 745 is 700 plus 40 plus 5. Next, we want to split the numbers. So 700 can be written as 500 plus 100 plus 100. 40 can be written as 50 minus 10 plus 5. Next, the 500 is D, 100 is C. 50 minus 10 can be written as XL and 5 is V. So therefore, 745 equal to DCCXLV. Second sum, write the following as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now we want to convert Roman symbols to Hindu-Arabic system. First, we want to write the values of each symbol. Next, decide add or subtract. Finally,
finished the sum, we can write the answer. So x, I, v. So x value is 10, I value is 1, v value is 5. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, because here smaller number, next larger number. So here we want to subtract. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Therefore, x, I, v equal to 14. Next, C, 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 L, X, V. So C value is 100, L value is 50, X value is 10, V value is 5. Here we want to add all the numbers. So 300 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300, 50 plus 10 equal to 60 and 5. So therefore 365. Therefore CCCLXV equal to 365. So the last sum, DCCXL. So D for 500, C for 100, X for 10, L for 50. Here first 3 numbers will be added, the last 2 number will be subtracted, because the smaller number next larger number. Therefore 500 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 700, 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Therefore 700 plus 40 equal to 740. Therefore DCCXL equal to 740. Thank you, children.